Last night I tested out this inexpensive active cell balancer. I was disappointed with the results, I'm sorry to say. I was really excited because these are relatively inexpensive. I think it was $30 to buy this 16S cell balancer. So last night I used the wiring harness that came with it and I connected it up to my terminal blocks here, which was actually really easy because I just had to loosen one screw, put it in and tighten it down. I didn't have to do any soldering. I've had this cell balancer for a while and I've made a couple of videos about this particular one in the past, and I know that this one does work. Now what's nice, this cell balancer has an app. So my procedure was, last night I had this black active cell balancer and the green active cell balancer both hooked up to the same wiring harness. But I had the green cell balancer off and I was just using it as a monitor, so I could take a screenshot with my phone of what every cell was. So the only thing affecting the voltages of the cells were this black cell balancer. Now this is supposed to actively move the electricity from the high cell to the low cell. And I took a screenshot of the differential of what the cells were last night and another screenshot this morning. And the cells were farther out of balance. I was really surprised. So this black active cell balancer actually made things worse. So I took this off and now I'm back to just the green one, and I turned the balance function on for the green one and it is doing its job and things are coming back to where they were and this will actually make it more in balance. So I was disappointed in the results of this black active cell balancer. So I'm not going to be using these. Now I'm working on a lot of other videos. Just 2 days ago, I was able to start putting a charge into these batteries. So that's gonna be coming down as I get to editing that. We're gonna start cycling these packs. So I'm really excited, and we'll finally be able to do a capacity test after a couple of weeks of cycling, but I'll be letting everybody know in some future videos how these packs are performing. And these are finally back in stock at Battery Hookup, so I have an affiliate link in the description below. If you want to buy some of your own, you can finally get them again. They were out of stock for a while. So thank you everybody very much for watching. If you enjoy the videos, please like, subscribe, comment, and share.